नवम श्रेणी पिला माने आज आम पढ़ा तुम इंग्रेजी बहीर द नोवेल नेचर। ता पूर्व जदि चैनल को नुआ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करनियो, लाइक कमेंट एंड शेयर। ता सहित जीके बाय देवु सर चैनल को मध्य सब्सक्राइब करनियो। Let's understand the poem. Question. Read the poem silently and try to find out the answer to the following. Discuss the answer with your partner. Number 1. What is noteworthy in an oak? Answer. A pretty long life is noteworthy in a oak. Number 2. Which is fairer, an oak or a lily? How? Answer. A lily is fairer. It is so because it is the plant and flower of light. Number 3. What ultimately happens to an oak? Answer. After a long life, an oak is reduced to a dry board and withered long of wood. Number 4. Is a man blessed with a long life and material prosperity considered to be noble? Answer. No, he isn't. Number 5. What are your impressions about the lily? Clue ref to L7 line 7 and line 8 रे दिया। Answer. A lily is flower known for its purity, delicacy and whiteness. Number 6. Can a short life be perfect? Which line suggests this and how? Answer. Yes, a short life can be perfect. The line and in short measures life may perfect be suggest this. It is said that a glorious hour of a man's light is earth and is without a name. Next, number 7. Choose the best possible meaning of just out of the following. A. Only a short time ago. B. Really. C. Morally fair. Correct answer is C. Morally fair. तापरे F. Let's appreciate the poem. Number 1. Why is a lily far fairer than an oak? Answer. When an oak falls at last, it is reduced to a log without leaves, but a lily that lives for a day is fairer to sight and far superior in value. Hence, a lily is fairer than an oak. Number 2. Which qualities make a man noble? Answer. Performance of good deeds makes a man noble. Number 3. Is long life a yardstick to judge the worth of a human being? Answer. No, long life is not at all a yardstick to judge the worth of a human being. Number 4. Do you agree with the idea that in short measures life may perfect be? Answer. No, we do not agree with the idea that in short measures life may be perfect. Number 5. Of a day that night smells short. What do these suggest? Answer. This suggests that the small and the short lived can be perfect. B. Read the last 4 lines of the poem and answer the following by choosing the most appropriate option given for each. Number 1. We see beauty in lily because option I. It is short-lived. Double I. It is the flower of light. Triple I. Small is beautiful. IV. It is not like an oak. And correct answer is double I. It is the flower of light. Number 2. The poet's philosophy of life is that option I, almost enjoy life to the fullest extent. Double I, almost make others happy. Triple I, small things can make life beautiful. IV, longevity should be the goal of our life. Answer, correct answer is triple I, small things can make life beautiful. Number 3, in a phrase of the poem, the poet suggests that short life is option I, die that night. Double I, flower of light. Triple I, small proportion. IV, short measures. Correct answer is short measures. Number 4, if you were asked to describe Lily in a few words, how would you do it in the context of the poem? Option I, a flower bearing plant. Double I, beautiful but short-lived. Triple I, a water plant. IV, sweet smelling flower. Correct answer is double I, beautiful but short-lived. Next, let's do the activity. ताको करिबो हला तो सरिला हमरो ए चैप्टर 2. तो थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग पिला माने. जदि चैनल को नुआ आछो चैनल टी को सब्सक्राइब करि नियो, लाइक कमेंट एंड शेयर. एवं मोर चैनल रे जो जीके बाय देबू सर चैनल टी अछि से चैनल को मध्य सब्सक्राइब करि नियो.